The online Microsoft Store has listed a new configuration of the Surface Pro, and looks to be offering a little more bang for your buck. The new Core i5 model, first spotted by NeoWin, features 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage for $999. Of particular interest is the price point, which places this model at the same price of the previously available Core i5 128GB model with 4GB of RAM. That original model is currently discounted to $799, the same price as the Core M3 model, but it's listed as sold out. Microsoft could be positioning this new 8GB configuration as a replacement for the original 4GB option, but that's just speculation for now. In any case, getting more RAM for the same value is nothing to scoff at. This also comes a day after Microsoft made the LTE variant available to the public. If you're in the market for a Surface Pro, you can check out the new configuration at the Microsoft Store now.